I forgot exactly what year was that. I was in Indonesia actually because I was a teacher there, and one of my students asked me. I think that was 2016 or 17. Hindi ko na masyado matandaan pero tinaas niya yung kamay niya and then she asked me a question. Teacher, why are you always happy? Medyo natigilan ako pero it was an interesting question from a young girl para magtanong ng ganun. Maybe lagi nila nakikita na masayahin ako, napaka-jolly ko. And it hit me a lot actually. As what I mentioned before, or just like yesterday, as I look back in the past, I am very jolly person simply because I have no other way for me to counter all the challenges and the troubles, yung mga negativities na nangyari in the past. And I lied a lot. I was not happy at all. I was not really comfortable noong mga time na yan. It's just that maybe somehow totoo yung fake it until you make it. Yung tipo na sasabihin mo okay ka lang pero ang totoo hindi. Whether we admit it or not, wala namang ibang tutulong sa atin kundi yung mga sarili natin. And I'm happy because I choose to be happy. Because happiness is a choice. And siguro nga I just fake everything. But it worked a lot. Wherever I am now, yun ay dahil nagpaka-positibo ako. And hindi ganun kadali kasi along the journey, I was actually fighting against myself. Trying to convince myself that I'm a positive person. Pero iba pala yun sa pagiging optimist. Lately ko na na-realize that I'm an optimist. Because I always look for the opportunity. I always tell myself that everything will fall into its proper places despite the troubles, despite the problems that I am going through. And yes, I'm happy because I choose. And good thing, it worked. Being happy doesn't mean you don't feel any sadness in life. Being happy doesn't mean you're not prone to negativity. Siguro nahanap ko lang yung highest form of happiness. And that is joy. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, malalampasan mo rin yun. Gaya ng sabi ko kahapon, problem requires solution, while reality requires acceptance.